Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to American Express account step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type American Express, in the address bar, and press enter. Wait for the American Express homepage to fully load. Look for the login button at the top right of the page. Click or tap login to open the sign-in screen. If you are on mobile, tap the menu icon first if you do not see login. Confirm that the page address starts with HTTPS for a secure connection. In the User ID field, click and enter your American Express user ID. Double-check your user ID for spelling mistakes and extra spaces. Move to the password field and enter your password carefully. Use the show option if available to verify you typed the password correctly. Make sure caps lock is off if your password is case-sensitive. If you are on a personal device, you may select Remember Me only if you trust the device. If you are on a shared or public device, do not select Remember Me. Click or tap the Login or Sign In button to proceed. Wait a few seconds while American Express verifies your details. If prompted for a verification code, choose your preferred method like SMS or email. Enter the verification code exactly as received and submit it. If you see an account dashboard, you have successfully logged in. To view your card details, select the correct card from the account overview. To check your balance or transactions, open the Statements or Activity section. If you forgot your user ID, click Forgot User ID on the login page. Follow the prompts to recover your user ID using your personal information. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Create a new password and return to the login screen to sign in again. If login fails repeatedly, clear your browser cache and cookies and try again. You can also try an incognito or private window to avoid saved session issues. If the issue continues, contact American Express support using the Help or Contact Us link. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.